Ага, супер, окей. Так, Andronis Boutique Hotel.
Exactly, yeah. So let me start with some information for Andronis Boutique Hotel. So let me tell you that this property is fully renovated this year. So it was the second property of the Andronis family, and this year we had the full renovation. We have 25 suites and villas here. We're gonna see the higher room category, which is the 2-bedroom villa, and one middle room category, the executive suite, which is for 2 to 3 pack, spacious, and very, very beautiful after the renovation. So in this property we call it the honeymooners paradise. So for couples, for wedding anniversaries, for honeymooners, it's very Instagrammable. The stairs are more steep. It's more for the youngest people. We try to categorize it like this. Of course, it's for everyone, but most of the feedback that we have is that it's a more romantic property, and that's why we try to give this label to this one. Downstairs you're gonna see the Lauda restaurant. This one, it's again fine dining cuisine with French cook techniques. This is the menu is consulted by the 3 Michelin star Emmanuel Renault. So these are the two properties that we have with fine dining cuisine. Now we're going down. After the renovation, in this property works as well the lower level of the property. So yes, in this property works the same as the other one in the Andronis luxury suite, the lower level, the higher room category, and more privacy. But again, after the renovation, we try to give in the higher levels of the property more privacy as well, as you can see here with the wall in front of the top of the rooms. Nausica, yes. Now we're gonna see executive suite with private pool. Many honeymooners, and we try to personalize all the stay of all the guests in all of our properties, but here the thing that I want to tell you is that if we know we have the information that we have that we do with honeymooners, we have pillowcases that we can write the initials on top, so we add something something small, you know, some personalized information to make their stay more unforgettable. Again, here we try to keep the cave-style building, the traditional part of the Ia. As you can see, it's round houses. This is something that most of the guests enjoy and love because they feel the traditional part. And of course, they just open the door and they have the endless blue in front of them.
So also cave style.
Yeah. Again, spacious enough inside.
This is how many square meter?
8.
8.
Yeah.
Mhm.